You'll need a frame, seat, drill, and hardware. In the bag, there are 7 2-inch screws. On the chair frame, there are 2 leg tenons. On the seat, there are 2 notches. Line the notches up with the tenons. With the fabric seats, take extra care to ensure the tenons are in the notches. With a wooden seat, the use of a clamp is helpful to ensure everything is flush. Start with a lower torque setting and increase as needed. The screws need to be installed in this order. Screws should be tightened so that there is no visible gap between the stretcher and the bottom of the seat.